This is a simple way of working out two-stroke for any two-stroke engine. The base rate is 40 to 1. So you multiply 40. So I've multiplied 40 2 times, which is 80. 3 times, 120. 4 times is 160. And 5 times is 200. So 40 to 1 is the same as equal to 200 to 5. Now, a litre is 1000 millilitres. So 200 goes into 1000 5 times. So 200 times 5 equals 1000. So 5 times 5 equals 25. So our new no longer 40 to 1, it's 1000 to 25. On our mixing jugs, the minimum amount is 50 ml. You want to mix two-stroke, it's litres to 50, which is there 50. So for every 2 litres, which is 1000 ml, 2 litres is 2000 ml, it's 50 ml. The other way to do it is if you're mixing small amounts, $40 into 100. So 40 into 100 goes 2.5 times. So the 40 to 1 becomes 80 to 2, and then you can't double 40 into 100, so half is another 20 to 100. So it's 2.5. So that's 2.5 into 100 means that 2.5% oil needs to go into the two-stroke. You can then change the millilitres into grams and use a scale. So for every 100 grams of fuel, you need 2.5 grams of oil. You can get some small scales that measure really cheap, and they measure small amounts of oil. Will measure small amounts, because normal scales only go to they only go to a gram. So you'd have to, if you've got normal scales, You have to double this up, so it's 200 to 5. So it's 200 200 grams to 5 grams of oil. There's a set of small scales that will measure 0.5 grams. You can buy relatively cheap. They take AAA batteries, rechargeable. You can get them from a shop with the name Land in it. Or just a normal set of scales. If you want to mix like 200 millilitres of fuel, you can just measure out, reset, and then can't do it because it's not a flat surface obviously, and then measure out 5 grams and then fill up to 200 in your fuel, and then you can mix small amounts of fuel. I hope this helps. I hope I've not confused it too much. I'm not very good at maths or speaking.